Y'all, come with me and my kids on a walk of the nature shores. Y'all, look how beautiful this back area is.
Okay, you look so tough.
Kai, what are we doing? No, what are we doing when we're outside?
Kai, where we going?
To get deer hunt.
We're going on a deer hunt?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Binoculars.
Y'all, we've actually had so much fun. Y'all, I have not laughed this much in so long, and we've laughed the entire time we've been here.
Dang it, get look here, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, keep it pushing.
This is another one of their cabins. Has a sauna. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Here's another one of their cabins. Green. Y'all, I honestly just love how this is all set up. Like how the cabins are. It's like a little town. I just love it. We're walking back. We have another cabin right here, another cabin right here. This is where the green one is. Right, oh, where's the green one? Oh, I don't know if you can see it. It's over, oh, right there. Then you have a couple more on this side. So it's like that. And look, it's like a little street. I love it. Anywho, thanks for coming on the walk with me.